Hello everyone, this is Raihan. Today I'll show you how to download Power BI. In order to download Power BI, you need to Google search download Power BI and it should take you to the page in which Microsoft has put Power BI downloadable file. In this page, you can see the download link is available. So we're gonna download Power BI desktop today. Power BI comes in mobile form, so you can access your reports on mobile. So click here, open Microsoft Store. Click on the Get Free. And it is showing you starting downloading Power BI desktop. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, um, it will it may take a small amount of time or long time, but we just have to be patient and wait for it to get downloaded. For some reason, my internet connection right now is really poor, so it's gonna take a lot of time. So I'll pause the video and once downloaded, I'll show you how to install it. Thank you. It says this product is installed. We have the ability to launch. Click launch. Power BI desktop is opening up. We're almost there.